To get rid of the X on Adobe After Effects AE, follow these steps. So, number one, open Adobe After Effects. Start the program on your computer. Number two, find the project panel. Look for the panel that shows your files and layers. This is usually on the left side of the screen. Number three, select the layer. Click on the layer that has the X mark that you want to remove. The X usually means there's an issue with that layer. Number four, check the effects. Look for any effects that might be causing the X. You can find these in the effects controls panel on the right. Number five, fix or remove the effect. If you see an effect causing the problem, you can either fix it or delete it. To delete, select the effect and press the delete key. Number six, check file paths. If the X is still there, make sure any files used in the layer are linked correctly. If a file is missing, you may need to relink it. Number seven, restart After Effects. If nothing works, try restarting the program. This can sometimes fix temporary issues. And by following these steps, you should be able to get rid of the X and continue working on your project. Let me know if this helped. See you later.